Sir, it is an honor to have you with us as a judge. We would be grateful if you could share a few words with us. How relevant are moot courts in real life courtroom practices?
Practice of law is very different from what we practice in moot courts, but yes, they do give an insight into real life court experience, like application of precedents. The research part, I think, is one of the most important parts that you learn during a moot court. The kind of researching techniques that we learned during our moot court experiences has actually helped us a lot in our real life courtroom experiences as well. So I think moot courts do play a very important role. Obviously, moot courts are a bit different from actual courtroom experiences. Actual courtroom experiences uh, are very dynamic. I think moot court gives you an exposure to it, prepares you for it mentally, and it gives you the legal acumen required to go out in the field of law and practice law.
Sir, looking back at your journey, what role did practice experience play in your career?
So asking about moot courts, as I just mentioned, moot courts did play a very important role in my career. All the researching techniques that I learned, getting rid of my fear of standing before a judge and arguing, and sometimes even getting into detailed, extensive arguments with the judges. It prepared us to, to expect anything. We In a moot court, you don't know what the judge will ask.
Yeah.
Similarly, in a courtroom experience also, you're not prepared for what the judge may or may not ask you. Moot courts are very different in the sense that in moot courts you get a specific time limit to present your case, which is not the case in an actual courtroom experience. But yes, I think moot courts do play a very, very important role in the life of a law student, and going forward, it prepares you for a good law career.
Yes, sir. So lastly, if you could share a message for our organizers and participants.
The participants were very good. I think it's top-notch performance. We witnessed top-notch performances from all the teams. The two teams that I witnessed were very well prepared. They had very good legal precedents to back their cases. Their argument skills were very good. Insofar as the performance, the organizers are concerned, it's always a pleasure coming back to Mangalam University. I've been here earlier to deliver a few lectures, and it's always a pleasure coming back here. The staff, the faculty, the students, all are very good. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and
Thank you.